everyone, welcome back to another video. You joined me at home doing some editing on the computer. So this clip that I'm about to show you was basically an outtake. Shane and Bailey decided to try and record their own intro and asked me to show it. I'm not going to use it as an intro. One, it's not safe. I just can't release it as an intro. I sat there and edited it into a video and nope. So this was supposed to be for the new channel, but I'm going to put it up on this channel and maybe a few others. But here's Shane and Bailey and then Natural Habitat, the allotment shed. Enjoy. Go.